This is the Apache. The Apache has a couple of things to note. You have two keepers here, so if you wanted to put this bailout ring on this side, you can, and either side would be good. These are two adjusters for your leg straps. They can move down and up to where you want them set on your body. They also absorb shocks of over 800 pounds. These will slide, so that's the shock absorbers. Also, that's a safety, by the way. And this one here has the safety, the 2,000 pounds. This will break. That's your indicator it's out of service. All the rest of the stitching will not break. You'll break these buckles before that. All right, we're going to put the Apache harness onto a turnout pants with the exterior leg loops. Open up the Velcros. Place it on top. Another Velcro over here. I'm going to fold this over again. Label's always towards the body. These can be adjusted to where you like it, but I'm going to leave them there for now. This goes into here. Weave it back through. When this is on you, you would snug this up as best you can and to where you would like it. This tail here can be weaved through here. And if it's bigger, you can pass it through another bar here if you have to. So we're gonna go with an internal Apache. You see the two slits here? There's two slits on this one. You're gonna go to the front through here, around the leg, and come back out this way. I think it's easier if you unsnap a couple of these snaps. Again, keep it flat, so pull the strap to where it's not all twisted. Pass it through the slit, through the crotch loop if you have one on this one. Take your other hand, grab the other strap around the outside of the thigh. Pass it through the slit. Then through the O-ring. Leave it there for now because we'll get to the back side. Snap the enclosure back up again. We're going to repeat the process on this side. Unsnap the two. Take the strap, make sure it's laying flat, and find the other end as you're going to pass this through. Pass it around the thigh through the crotch loop if you have one on the inside. You pull it back, you want to come through this side here. Pass it through the loop here. Get the twist out. Snap it back together. Flip this over. Take the ends of these here. Slide these to where you like them. Pass it through. And once you put this in here like this on both sides, I'm not going to tighten them right away. Once you have it here, you're going to put your turnouts on. You're going to simulate by pulling on here, showing that you're maybe jumping out the window. Then we go ahead and lock this off once you like the tightness of your belt. and you're done.